Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. DSLR camera stabilizer, handheld stabilizer for your smartphone, including, lightweight DSLR. This is pretty good for filmmakers, short filmmakers, vloggers, YouTubers. This is for people that want to take the filming and photography to the next level. It's pretty affordable. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below. It's a watch and learn video, by the way, people. So watch and learn while I'm talking. Just check out the video. So I'm gonna leave the links right down below. And if you're interested, make sure to check the page out. They've got different sizes, different prices, obviously. But the one that I've got right here is pretty affordable. Check that out. Let us know how it goes for you. Leave all your comments right down below. Make sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, PLS if it's your first time. Talk about our channel to your friends. 10k likes, 10k view is going to land free of you an electronic gift cards. You gotta be subscribed to the channel and leave a relevant comment about the current video that you're watching. Stay posted for that. Make sure to keep your notification on so you ain't gonna miss out on anything that go on here. So yeah, I love this. This is pretty dope. You want those cinematographic, look about your videos or your pictures. You gotta go for this. It comes with a video tutorial also to help you out. So I'm feeling this. This is a total go. 9 out of 10 for me. You know what I mean? 9 out of 10. That's how high I'm rating it. Make sure to double check our channel out. We got more on film making, video maker, making tools, affordable video making tools, videos, products out there. Make sure to double check this out. I got all the links to those products. So if you're interested, make sure to follow them up. Get your happiness on. Other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, as usual, thanks for watching. We shall surely see you on the next one. Keep it lit and keep it safe out there. Peace out. Let's do it and do it. Bang, bang. Cheer.